Charts in Excel. A chart is an effective way to display data in a pictorial form. Chart makes it easier to draw comparisons and analyze the growth, relationships, and trends among the values in a table. Components of a chart. Chart title describes the main aim and content of the chart. X-axis. X-axis is the horizontal axis of the chart. It is also called the category axis. Y-axis. Y-axis is the vertical axis of the chart. It is also called the value axis. Plot area. It is the rectangular area bounded by the two axes. It contains the actual chart and includes the plotted data, data series, category, and value axis. Data series. A data series is related to the set of values. It is represented by the bars or slices that represent the data values. Data labels. Data labels include data values, category names, series name, legend keys, and values from cells. Grid lines. These can be either horizontal or vertical lines depending on the selected chart type. It makes it easier to read and understand the values. Legend. Legend is a key which shows the meanings of symbols and colors used in the chart. Chart area. The area that includes all objects and elements in a chart. Types of charts in Excel. Excel provides a variety of different chart formats such as bar, column, pie, line, area, donut, scatter, surface, and radar. Line chart. It is used to show trends over a period of time. It is similar to plotting a graph on graph paper with its value on the X and Y axis. It uses connecting dots to display trends over a period of time. Column chart. It is usually used to display the data in the form of vertical bars. It is used to show the changes in data over a period of time or for comparison among the different data items. The categories are represented on the horizontal axis and the values are represented on the vertical axis. Pie chart. It is a circular chart divided into sectors where each sector shows the relative size of each value. It always shows only one data series. It is useful when you want to put emphasis on a significant element. Bar chart. The bar chart displays the data in the form of long rectangular rods, also called bars. These bars can be placed horizontally on the chart area. It illustrates the comparisons among the individual items. In this chart, categories are represented on the vertical axis and values are represented on the horizontal axis. Area chart. It is used to display the quantitative magnitude of the data graphically. These charts are based on the features of the line chart. They basically emphasize the area between the line and the axis with the help of the colors, textures, pictures, etc. Scatter chart. Scatter charts are also known as XY scatter plot charts. They show the correlation between the two sets of values. The X and Y axis are used to represent the data plots on the chart. Creating a chart. To create a chart, follow the given steps. 1. Select the range of cells. 2. Click on the Insert tab. 3. Click on the Insert column or bar chart command. 4. Select the 2D column chart option. Change chart type. You can change the type of an existing chart at any time. To change the chart type, follow the given steps. 1. Select the chart. 2. Click on the Design tab. 3. Click on the Change Chart Type command. 4. Select Line Chart. 5. Click on Line with Markers option. 6. Click on OK button. The chart will change to a line chart similar to this.